I am thrilled to introduce the 2026 Can-Am Maverick RC. As you can see right here, the design is aggressive and built for performance.
Can-Am has officially unveiled its most ambitious off-road machine to date with the launch of the 2026 Maverick R X RC, a purpose-built rock-crawling UTV designed to dominate extreme terrain straight from the factory. This model is not just a refreshed version of the Maverick R platform. Instead, Can-Am has re-engineered the vehicle to conquer the same brutal environments that define events like King of the Hammers, where the difference between winning and wrecking is often just a few inches of tire placement. At the core of this new machine lies a 240 horsepower Rotax, registered trademark 999T turbocharged engine, paired with a highly capable 7-speed Rotax registered trademark DCT transmission that includes both high and an extra low crawler gear range. This combination gives the 2026 Maverick R X RC exceptional control at ultra-low speeds when scaling steep boulder paths, while still offering explosive high-speed power for wide-open desert sections. With these engineering decisions, Can-Am has made it clear that the Maverick R X RC is not meant to be an all-rounder. With rock-friendly accessories, it is a dedicated crawling weapon that retains trail versatility without compromise. To match the powertrain upgrades, Can-Am has implemented major drivetrain and traction improvements, with the biggest highlight being the Smart-Lok trademark front differential equipped with a new rock mode. This system intelligently manages front-wheel traction, making sure torque is distributed precisely where needed during slow-speed crawling. When navigating technical rock gardens or balancing on tight ledges, this upgraded Smart-Lok system allows the driver to inch forward without wheel spin, wheel hop, or unwanted slippage. Combined with the extra low gear range in the transmission, the Maverick R X RC offers a level of crawling precision that traditionally required expensive aftermarket kits now delivered straight from the dealership. These refinements ensure the machine delivers confidence where other UTVs may hesitate, allowing drivers to climb, pivot, and maneuver with poise even on jagged boulders and steeply angled rock faces. Among the most headline-worthy upgrades for 2026, and arguably the biggest factory leap forward, is the introduction of massive 35-inch XPS Hammer King tires mounted to rugged 16-inch beadlock wheels. This setup marks the largest stock tire package ever fitted to a production UTV, representing a huge advantage when navigating sharp, uneven terrain. The heightened footprint of the 35-inch tires dramatically improve traction and allow the vehicle to climb taller obstacles without bottoming out, while sidewall protection is significantly improved to resist punctures and tears that typically occur during technical crawls. The beadlock wheels secure tire beads under heavy loads, ensuring that low tire pressures used for maximum grip do not risk debeating during hard impacts. With these tires, the Maverick R X RC enters 2026 as arguably the most ground-ready factory crawler ever offered, giving serious enthusiasts a machine that does not require immediate aftermarket tire upgrades to achieve peak performance. Supporting the upgraded tires and drivetrain is a refined chassis and suspension package engineered to absorb punishment while maintaining control. The factory-installed Fox steering damper is one of the more subtle yet transformative upgrades, reducing unwanted feedback through the steering wheel when crawling over sharp rocks or highly irregular surfaces. This makes slow-speed maneuvers less fatiguing and significantly more predictable, a major advantage when threading the vehicle through rock gaps where precision matters. The standard setup includes Fox 2.5 podium, RC2 shocks up front, and Fox 3.0 podium shocks in the rear, offering long wheel travel and impressive damping control. With 17 inches of ground clearance, drivers have the confidence to roll over harsh terrain without constant underbody impacts. For those wanting the highest level of adaptability, Can-Am offers optional Smart-Shok's trademark semi-active suspension, which automatically adjusts damping on the fly to match evolving terrain conditions, a rare feature in the crawling segment, and one that further sets the Maverick R X RC apart. Durability and protection upgrades were also a major focus for the 2026 model. Can-Am has fitted the Maverick R X RC with a full rock protection package that includes reinforced A-arm guards, heavy-duty skid plates, side rock sliders, and anti-intrusion bars. These upgrades shield vulnerable components from sharp terrain impacts, preventing suspension arms, steering knuckles, and drivetrain elements from taking direct hits that could lead to costly repairs. In extreme rock crawling environments, protection is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. With these reinforcements, the RX RC is capable of enduring repeated contact with jagged surfaces and high-impact scrapes without compromising vehicle integrity. This means enthusiasts can push harder, explore deeper, and attempt riskier lines with less fear of damaging essential parts of major appeal for seasoned off-roaders. Technology and driver experience have also received major upgrades in the 2026 model. Dominating the dashboard is a 10.25-inch touchscreen display offering navigation, vehicle diagnostics, and critically integrated front and rear camera views. These cameras give drivers live visual feedback when approaching obstacles, climbing steep shelves, or descending narrow rock chutes, significantly reducing guesswork and allowing precise tire placement in areas where visibility through the windshield alone is limited. Additionally, Can-Am has equipped the RX RC with a premium JL Audio Level 3 sound system, complete with 4 speakers and a subwoofer, enriching the experience whether you're cruising trails or staging at a rock crawling event among friends. While sound systems may seem secondary to performance upgrades, this premium audio suite adds lifestyle appeal, proving that the RX RC is designed not only for competition-inspired crawling, but also for social and recreational adventure. With these upgrades, the 2026 Maverick RX RC enters the market as a premium offering, priced in North America at approximately $47,999 USD, depending on configuration and optional features. While this positions the RX RC above many traditional UTVs, its factory setup means fewer aftermarket modifications are required to achieve competitive crawling performance. For dedicated rock enthusiasts, this price tag represents value a ready-to-conquer machine straight from the showroom floor that delivers capabilities many riders once had to build themselves over time. In effect, Can-Am is selling not just a vehicle, but a fully engineered solution to extreme terrain challenges. In the broader context, the 2026 Maverick RX RC signals a shift in the UTV industry, one where manufacturers are increasingly embracing specialization rather than relying solely on general-purpose machines. Can-Am's introduction of a factory-engineered crawler with massive stock tires, enhanced drivetrain precision, advanced protection, real-time adaptive suspension options, and intelligent traction control systems sets a new standard for what a production UTV can be. It demonstrates that there is a strong market for vehicles that excel in specific environments rather than merely performing adequately across many. The Maverick RX RC is both a product and a message. The era of factory-built extreme crawlers is here, and Can-Am intends to lead it. As more riders test the 2026 Maverick RX RC in real-world conditions, early feedback already suggests that this machine will reshape expectations of what rock-focused UTVs can achieve without extensive modification. From the boulder paths of California to rocky cliff trails in the Southwest, the Maverick RX RC is poised to become the go-to platform for serious crawling enthusiasts who want maximum capability without aftermarket compromise. In combining brute strength, advanced traction management, rugged protection, and modern technology, the 2026 Can-Am Maverick RX RC arrives as a landmark model, a machine built for those who dream of trails few others dare to climb.